My Mitsubishi Delica L400 started leaking coolant a little bit, and she left a puddle on the floor. And let me show you where that coolant is leaking from. This is 4M40 Mitsubishi diesel engine. I think I located the leak so far. This hose clamp is tight, and over here you see this plug. This is an air bleeder plug. This is the highest point in a coolant system, and the coolant is coming right from the plug here and running down. And this plastic joint has the two hoses coming, one from the bottom. This one is going to the back side of the thermostat housing. That metal pipe is coming straight to the back. That's the bottom one, and as you can see, coolant was running down and all the way up to the bottom of the engine. And if you look straight, there's another hose is coming right at the back. That one is going straight to the heater core inside the cab through the firewall. 12mm socket. Let's take this plug off. It's a plastic. It shouldn't be hard. Here we go, and see why it's leaking. And then let's take it out completely. Oh, coolant. As you can see here, it's cracked. Well, why that happened? Probably someone who was tightening this plug over torqued it, and it just snapped and cracked, and that's why it was leaking. And we can fix this plug and save it for later use, and I have another one spare which I'm going to use. Spare 4M40 diesel engine complete with everything I need, and here's our replacement spare plug. Let's take the plug out. Nice. This one is good condition, no cracks, no damage, no any splits, and this plug wasn't leaking. Well, let's go install this plug, and should be fixed. Okay, let's put a new plug, and that should take care of our problem. You don't want to go too crazy tightening, just snag it, and as soon as it stops, just enough. That's it. Perfect. It's tight. Yeah, that wasn't that difficult. Going to top it up with coolant. It's a little bit lower. We leaked a little bit here, and I will keep eye on it. Shouldn't be any problems. That's it. Right at the maximum mark over here on the level. You can see here we have minimum here and maximum all the way to the max. Good. Yeah. If you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. I'm going to wipe all that coolant and residue, what's left, and then we can see if new coolant will come out. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Alright, take care, and see you soon. It has been a while since we got that minor coolant leak fixed, and so far so good.